help me unbox these items I ordered from China. So I ordered a memory card, yeah, an SD card, which I'll be using for my drone. I ordered a bag. I ordered some Beck sandals. I also ordered a phone case and then some shorts. So let's open it and see what we have. I'm sure this is the bag. So there you have it. Let's see. Okay. Ah. So can you see? Show it. Okay. Let's put that one here. Let's see what we have here. This is the shorts. This is the shorts. So let me see. Wow. It's actually nice. Yeah, I think it's cool. I love it. I love it already. And this is the phone case. This is the phone case I ordered for my 11 Pro Max. And see, this is a magnetic phone case. So this is the phone I ordered it for. Now, let me say goodbye to this one. I actually ordered this phone from China. Let's see. Wow, I love it. This is beautiful. Okay, I love it. Wow. I really love this. Interesting. Like the phone just looked different and I love the phone now. Wow, this is nice. I'm sure this is a memory card. I ordered a memory card, 128 gig. A Shin Pro memory card. These memory cards, they are very expensive here in Ghana. This is even 256 gig. Here in Ghana, this one you get it. Some sell it 1,000 something or even 2,000. Yes, this memory card. But I got it very cheap price. So if you also need a memory card for your drone or anything, you can contact me and I can order it for you. Now let's see. I'm sure these are the bags. Okay, so I ordered 2 of them. Come and show them. So the first one, this is it. This is it. Wow. It's actually really nice. It's original. Wow, I love this. This is really nice. Really nice. I love it. I love it. I've not even worn it yet, but just looking at it, I am loving it. This is really nice, guys. The foot is very soft. I love it. This will be very comfortable, pa. I love it. I love it. Let's check the other one. Type. I got this type. Ha 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 ha. Wow. Wow. It's actually very nice. Wow. Wow. I love this one too. I love this one too. Wow. I love this one too. Look how soft the foot is. Very, very nice. Guys. And if I tell you the prices, it will shock you. This is, if they tell you the price here in Ghana, you will go jump through the roof. But they are very cheap. They're very cheap. I got it very cheap in China. So guys, if you want to buy anything, especially drones, memory cards, drone accessories, iPhones, or any other laptops or any other gadgets, all you have to do is contact me and I can help you get it at cheaper prices abroad, okay, especially in China. And we'll be starting our pre-orders soon, where we'll be having a group and we'll take your orders so that we can help you get some of these things at cheaper prices. Those of you who have been asking me about memory cards, you can see I've got one. I just wanted to test it and see how it is. And as you can see, even though I've not tested it, you can see it's an original one. This is an original one. When you see the original one, you can tell this is original one. So if you need this or any other thing, all you have to do is contact me and I can help you get it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and follow my page for more videos like this. Bye bye.